aluminum railing installation, method of installation. We measure at the top of the post 3 inches, mark it with a pencil, take the spindle attachments, put them on the mark, we use the colored head screws. Self-tapping screws. Install 1 screw at the top. In order to straighten up the spindle, we install the bottom right after the first screw. We can install both screws at the bottom before moving up again. The posts are now ready to attach their railing to. We take the cover, the plastic film cover from the rail, remove the aluminum cups, we'll take one post to one end of the handrail, now we use the small screws, 1/2 inch, to attach the railing to the post. We do the exact same thing with the other side. The railing section is now ready to be installed on the porch, veranda, deck. If we have more section going at the same height, we can install right away a spindle on the other side of the post and continue the installation before starting the drilling to the ground. We use a hammer drill, 5/16 of an inch, to drill our hole. I use a vacuum to vacuum the dust so we don't have any rust, water accumulation around the screw holes. Stainless steel screws with a plug insert into it. Bang it in. And the last step, once I find my bit, is drill is behind me. With an impactor, just tap it in. That's just one screw. We got 4. We use a level to level the post on both sides. And that's basically it. This is the installation method. At the end of the installation of all the screws, we have the caps to cover up all the holes of the screws, and we tap them on with a rubber hammer. This is it. Good luck.